Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new brake light bulb. Make sure your car is turned off and parked on a level surface for safety. We'll start by locating the brake light assembly at the rear of your vehicle. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your trunk and look for two retaining screws on the inside edge of the tail light assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the car. Be careful not to force it. Then, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it. With the socket in hand, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a little snug. When inserting the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's securely seated. This ensures a good electrical connection for proper function. Now, let's put everything back together. Twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the tail light assembly. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your car and have someone check the brake light to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.